Ever yawned just because someone else did? Here's the science behind it. Yawning, it's something we all do, but why? Scientists believe yawning helps cool the brain and keep it alert. When you yawn, you take a deep breath, bringing in cool air. This helps regulate your brain temperature, especially when you're tired or bored. And what about contagious yawning? It's linked to empathy. Your brain mirrors others' behavior to connect socially. So, next time you yawn, remember, it's not just about being tired, it's science and connection at work. Blink and you've just learned something new.